No crack line now.
Oh, you bugger. Gotta get me some flappy paddles. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yes guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in this video we have come across a barn find graveyard at a garage. So basically we was heading back from a show and we stumbled across it, so I had to pull over and take a look. Now there's loads of old Fords, Land Rovers, you name it, you're gonna see it. So if you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe and enjoy the video guys.
Right guys, so we've just been on the way back from a show. We stumbled across this place. There's loads of like abandoned old cars on a forecourt. So have a little look at what we can see. Some newer stuff there. Some old Land Rovers. Toyota Celica XR3i lot. Loads of stuff in the distance. But wait until we get round the corner because there's lots of old Fords. Escort Estate. There's an old Land Rover there lot. How many of these do you see anymore? Old Peugeot 106 on a J-Reg. But look in here. Let's get the camera through the fence. There's an Orion there, an Escort next to it, and look what's lurking there, lot, a Sierra. So I'm going to head round the corner and have a look at what else we can see. Little Mark 4 Fiesta. Orion lot, Escort. Mazda 323 Estate. XR3i here lot. This one's pretty badly gone. The sunroof's collapsing on it lot. There's a Capri over there in the distance lot. Pajero, is it? Shogun? Something like that. Mondeo, Mark 1. Wow, look at the quarter on that. That's well gone. Sierra lot. Is that an old Capri in front of it? Mondeo. Ooh, XR2i. Look at that beauty. Again, been stood here years. There's an XR3i in front of it. And an old Golf. Escort 1.3L lot. There's two. On there. On there. An old Golf in front. And another 1.3 Escort there. We'll just pop round the side and have a quick look at what else there is. I don't want to get too many. There are some newer stuff as it's a looks like a working garage. I'm not going to go too far. Old Land Rover there lot. Capri 2.8 injection. Yeah, I can see another Capri there, look, in the distance. And a really old one next to it. Wow, what a find this is. An old disco here outside. 03 plate Subaru Forester. This is an old one, not? Again, well rotten. See what else we can see. There's an old 190E there, lot. Look at that. Wing looks immaculate on that. Better than the one on mine. Old Transit there, look. Looks like the front end's missing off it. Old VW camper. And I've also just spotted in this corner there's an old Granada. Or is it Scorpio? There, look, in the corner. What a shame. Old G-Reg Volkswagen, some old bikes. And it says Super 9 on the side of it there. What a find, guys. I had to stop and pull over and take a quick video.
So guys, just having a look on Google Maps, these cars have been there for around 20 years. Not moved. I don't think the guy's got any intention of selling them. But yeah, I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and I shall see you on the next one. Hopefully loads of new content coming soon on the Focus project, the Blue ST rebuild. You can check out all the playlists on the channel, and don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you soon.